Right from when you are small, your dad has been putting water in his car radiator. Both him and you think the water keeps the engine cooling. You are wrong. Water is not coolant. Water lacks some properties that is present in coolant. Your engine consists of a lot of moving parts. This movement of several components causes friction, and friction produces heat. And remember that heat is a major source of energy losses. There are safe temperatures for your engine to run. When the temperature exceeds, it causes damage to your engine. This is the reason it is necessary to have a fluid running inside your engine jacket to absorb the heat, take it away from the engine down to the radiator. 4 reasons why you don't use water as coolant. 4 good reasons. The number 1 is corrosiveness. Water is corrosive. Water can easily rust or corrode the internal components of your engine. Rust destroy and reduce the lifespan of your engine. What about coolant? Coolant has anti-rust capacity that prevents corrosion. Coolant forms a protective layer on the surface of the metal, which in turn prevents it from corrosion and rust. The number 2 is freezing point. Most coolant have additional antifreeze properties. These properties adds another element to the coolant that lowers its freezing point. This is exceptionally good in the area where temperature falls below 0. But water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, and as the temperature falls further, water begins to expand. This expansion is dangerous because it can cause a crack to your engine and damage cooling system hoses and other things. This is why you need antifreeze coolant, not only water. Number 3, boiling point. Coolant has higher heat capacity than water, which means it will require more heat energy to reach the same temperature which water can reach with much lesser energy. Properties in the coolant also raise its boiling point, making it safer for operation in the engine, unlike water. And my number 4 is impurities. Tap water has impurities, and these impurities will now settle down at the bottom of your water gallery or your water jacket or right in your radiator, and that will now form sludge, which is damaged or dangerous for your engine. What is my conclusion? My conclusion is, if you have been using only water in your engine, stop it. Use coolant, not only water. At worst scenario, mix water with coolant. If you do that, you are prolonging the lifespan of your engine. Water is not coolant. Mix coolant with your water for your engine for you to enjoy it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel so that as soon as I drop another video, you will get the update and you watch and see how you prolong the lifespan of your engine. Mr. Engine, thanks for watching me.